Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to add a group to a WhatsApp community using the latest version of the app. If you've already created a community and want to bring your existing groups together under one place, this guide will walk you through everything you need to do. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet so WhatsApp can load all your chats and communities properly. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Communities tab. This tab is where all your communities are listed and where you can manage them easily. Now, select the community you want to add a group to. When the community opens, you'll see the available groups and settings related to that community. Go ahead and tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of your screen. From the small menu that appears, choose Community Info. Inside the Community Info section, scroll until you see the option that says Add Groups. Tap on it to continue. Here, WhatsApp will display all the groups you can add to this community. These could be existing groups that you manage or new ones you've recently created. Next, select the group you want to add. Once you've chosen the right one, confirm your selection to finish the process. WhatsApp will instantly link that group under your community, giving all members easier access to updates, announcements, or discussions related to that community's topic. This feature is perfect if you manage multiple groups around a shared interest, project, or organization. It helps you keep communication clear and organized with one community hub connecting everything together. And that's it. You've successfully added a group to your WhatsApp community in just a few quick steps. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the rest of the videos for more updated WhatsApp tips and tutorials.